my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is a unicorn gift set and it is by this brand right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it comes boxed. Okay, so this is the first thing. You can see you have all these different stickers. What do you think about those?
Oh, cute.
And then you have a coloring book. This is what the coloring book looks like. It's kind of hard to show it this way.
These are so cute.
So it has just really cute things to color. You want to look at that? The next thing that's in there is this cute little unicorn. Look how stinking cute that is. Looky there.
Oh, I have mermaid.
It has a mermaid too. What do you think about that? So that's what this looks like. This is really cute, like for if you know a little girl that's having a birthday party and she loves unicorns. She loves unicorns. She's even wearing a unicorn shirt right now. That's why I got her this. But look how cute the jewelry and stuff is as well. Ooh. Okay, hold on.
Down there.
So it has a necklace. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like. So that's what the necklace looks like. Look how cute. And it's all these like pastel colors. So you got that. Let me see your hand. This is what the little bracelets look like. It's got some like really pretty glitter on it. Put your arms on. You see? Then you can put this back on.
Cute.
And then it has these two little hair ties and they have glitter. These little clippies. So you just clip it like this. Keep your hair out of your way. Hold on. Do that to both sides.
There's two.
Mm-hmm.
Cute.
It comes with the little color markers to actually color your stuff with, so you can see. So she can color her picture. I'm just going to keep these in here so they don't go everywhere. And then you have some other stickers right here. Let's go ahead and open these up and see what they look like. And even the inside of the box, look how cute that is. And I'm sure whoever gets it, like, they'll want to keep the box to keep all their goodies in. I know that's how my kids are.
I'll keep it.
So this is what these look like. I'm wondering if they're, I think these are tattoos.
I see. Yeah, those are tattoos.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are tattoos. Look how cute. So you have all these different tattoos. You want to try a tattoo on?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go ahead and put a tattoo and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what the tattoo looks like. It looks very pretty. I think it might be glow in the dark is what it looked like on the thing, but I'm not quite sure on that, so don't quote me on that. But what do you think about all this stuff?
It's so adorable.
It's adorable?
Yes, I like it.
You like it? So what would you think if somebody got you this for like your birthday? Would you have loved a gift like that?
Yeah.
It's like everything. You have from hair, jewelry, toy, coloring book, tattoos, stickers. It's like everything that kids love. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.
Bye. Thank you.
You're welcome.